Blessed is the one who perseveres under trials, having stood the test, will receive the crown of life whom the Lord himself has promised to those who love him. James 1 verse 12. It is amazing that the world teaches us this, that no pain, no gain. And so we out there, we grinding, we pushing, we going through the pain in order to make it to the end. But Jesus comes and Jesus gives us a deeper truth. He says, no cross, no crown. You see, whatever you're bearing, whatever you're going through, whatever suffering there is a crown that is waiting for you, that the Lord himself has promised to those. Not just to anyone. You see, the problem is we all want to wait that glorious day and receive our crown. But in order for us to endure suffering and receive our crown, we have to love the Lord. The crown of life is only given to those who love the Lord. So persevere through your trials. James also says, count it joy, brethren, when you are faced with trials and tribulations of all kinds. So today, beloveds, Jesus loves you. And whatever you're going through, whatever pain, whatever suffering, he's carrying you through it. Just hold on, keep on loving. The Lord is with you. God bless.